Okay, so just a minute ago we worked on triangles. Now we're going to look at quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are four-sided shapes. And quadrilaterals, I want you to write this at the top of your paper. Quadrilaterals have a sum of 360 degrees. So their interior angles add up to be 360 degrees. If we were to take each of these corners and put them together, they would form a circle. The corners would come together to be a circle because they're 360 degrees. And that's true of all of these quadrilaterals that we see here. So we can continue writing equations to help us figure out the missing values here. We can do 64 plus 87 plus 93 plus j equals 360. I'm just going to do 64 plus 87 plus 93 off to the side of my paper here. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 3 is 14, carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 8 is 15, plus 9 is 24. So I get 244 plus j equals 360. And the inverse of adding 244 is subtracting 244. If I do it to one side, then I have to do it to the other. So 244 minus 244 is 0. Those cancel out. I can pull down my j. And now I'm going to do the subtraction here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. I've got j equals 116 degrees. And when I look at this angle, it does appear that it's larger than a 90-degree angle. I can even check to make sure by putting like a corner of a piece of paper in there and say, yeah, this is bigger than 90 degrees, so 116 seems like a reasonable answer. When I look at the next one, I've got k plus 54 plus 94 plus 152 equals 360. Because the sum of my angles in a quadrilateral should be equal to 360. So I'm going to do that math off to the side here, the addition part at least. And 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, so carry my 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I've got k plus 300 equals 360. And the inverse of adding 300 is subtracting 300. If I do it to one side of the equal sign, I must do it to the other. 300 minus 300 is 0. Those cancel out and I can pull down my k. 360 minus 300 is 60 degrees. And so k is equal to 60 degrees. Again, my answer seems reasonable. This angle is less than 90. 60 is less than 90. So it seems like a reasonable answer. At this point, I would challenge you to try the last problem on your own and see what you get, and then unpause the video to check your answer. So for this one, we've got m plus 90 plus 90 plus 119 equals 360 degrees. I'm going to add 90, 90, and 119 to the side here. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so I have m plus 299 equals 360. The inverse of adding is subtracting, so I'm going to subtract 299 from both sides. 299 minus 299 is 0. This cancels out, and I can just pull down my m on this side. 360 minus 299 is 61. So m is equal to 61 degrees. Again, I'm going to check to make sure my answer makes sense. This angle measure is less than a 90-degree angle, less than a corner. 61 is less than 90, so it seems like a reasonable answer that m is equal to 61.